Namaste, welcome to Beauty and Colorful Tales. I am Yolandi, a CIDESCO qualified skincare therapist, and on this platform I share anything skincare and beauty related. So if you haven't yet, feel free to like and subscribe as it is free and it will help me with future content. Today I will be sharing my routine for a glowing skin that I do on a weekly basis. Firstly, we'll just need some nice warm water to wet our face with, not hot water, just warm water. I shall be using my 2% Seeker Glow Daily Face Wash from Dermaco, and I really enjoy this cleanser. It is very gentle on the skin, yet effective in removing all dirt and grime. But if you are wearing waterproof makeup, you would definitely need to use makeup remover separately, as this doesn't really remove any of your waterproof makeup. Now I really like this as it contains your Seeker extract, tranexamic acid, which is gently exfoliating on the skin, as well as licorice extract to give you that nice glow. Just gently washing, foaming it up and washing everywhere. Make sure that you get into all the little corners, and in spots where we usually tend to neglect is like over the nose, between the brows and the corners of our nose, as well as going right up to where the ears are. I'm just going to be using this very soft and gentle face cloth to help and remove product from my skin. It's also gently exfoliating as it helps to lift off any dirt, grime and dead skin cells from the surface of the skin. I usually do this 2 or 3 times just to ensure that the cleanser is thoroughly removed. Remember that we are doing a double cleanse, and I'm just using the same cleanser again, although you can use an oil cleanser or a cleansing balm for your first cleanse and then use your cleanser for a second one. I'm not a big fan of cleansing balms, so I use the same cleanser twice on my skin, and you would just repeat the process all over again. After removing all of that, we're just going to gently dab our skin dry. You're not going to take your towel and scrub on your skin. It'll just irritate your skin. You just gently dab dry on your skin. Next is my favorite part. I am using the 15% AHA 1% PHA beginner face peeling solution. Now this you would use max twice a week, and it can be quite intense if you do it for more, as well as maximum 10 minutes, as you can get a little bit of peeling from it and sensitivity if you leave it on for too long. Now it contains your 5% glycolic acid, 5% lactic acid, 5% mandelic acid, as well as 1% salicylic acid. Now I really like this one, and I will definitely move up to the higher concentration when this is finished. But this is gentle on the skin. It helps remove the dead skin cells. It helps to give you that nice glow. It doesn't over exfoliate unless you leave it on for too long. You would definitely leave it on, like I said, for nothing more than 10 minutes. If you've got sensitive skin, most probably only 5 minutes. It does tingle when you do apply it on the skin, but it subsides as time goes by. Within the first minute or so, the tingling is basically all disappeared. If it hasn't, please remove it immediately, because then it just means it's a little bit too active for your skin. And remember to apply it in a thin, even layer all over the skin, and try and avoid directly around the eye area as well as the corner of the nose. I'm going to be leaving this on my skin for about 10 minutes. You can leave it on for 5 minutes to 10 minutes, depending on your skin, how your skin reacts with it. But nothing more than 10 minutes. That's the max you can go with it. I'm just quickly grabbing my timer, and then I will be sitting back and relaxing. So there's the time. I've put it for 8 minutes because I've taken a little bit of time. So you can just sit back, relax, read a book, scroll through social media, whichever you want to do, while we wait for this wonderful peel to do its magic. And remember to stay hydrated. And my time is up. It is time to remove this peeling solution from my skin. Firstly, I am just going to be wetting my face with warm water, not too hot as your skin might be a little bit sensitive. And then I am going to be using my cleanser from Dermaco, which is the Creamy Daily Face Cleanser specifically for sensitive skins. This just helps to really soothe and hydrate the skin after the peel. I like using this after the peel because it doesn't irritate the skin. It just really soothes and calms the skin. You just gently massage it everywhere where you've applied the peel to ensure that you neutralize it for proper and sufficient removal, as you don't want to have any peel left over on the skin, as it can continue exfoliating the skin and you will end up with sensitivity and irritated skin. I'm just going to be using my soft face cloth again, just gently dabbing all over the skin, very gently rubbing it on the skin just to remove the product from the skin to ensure that it's all been removed. And then just gently drying the skin, dabbing with a towel on the skin, no rubbing because your skin might be a little bit sensitive after the peel. Then another favorite part of mine is using sheet masks for the skin. This is really nice and hydrating. I usually keep it in the fridge, especially in the humid climate that I'm living in. It's nice and cool then, nice and refreshing. So these sheet masks I just got from Zugio when I was there, just quickly picked up one or two. This is a really nice one, as it is the Honey and Vitamin C Glow Sheet Mask. It's usually all folded up when you get it in the packet, and be careful because it's got a lot of serum in it. And unfolding it is always such a thing. It's like, which side does it go to? Finally got it open. Just going to place it over the face. Feels so nice and cool after the peel. Just a little folding there I need to get out. Top, bottom, which side is it? Finally got it. Whilst you are applying it, ensure that you do smooth it out everywhere. And as you can see, these masks usually don't really fit your skin nicely. So what you would do is take a clean pair of scissors, and then you would just cut it. I'm just cutting it right between the brows, then just in the center of the lip, and then at the chin area, so that you can fold them and overlap them. Just be careful that you don't poke yourself with scissors or you cut yourself. So just gently pull it to fit your face. Remember to smooth it out, and then you can just readjust it accordingly to fit your face. You can see here, like the nose section is cut slightly small. Oh my, to watch that. So you would just cut this to fit it nicely over your face, and you would just readjust all the pieces so that it covers your whole face. After readjusting the whole sheet mask, you will always find a little bit of extra serum in the packet, so just be careful when you do try and squeeze it out, as it goes everywhere. And then what you would do is you would just massage or apply it onto the neck area, as well as to your décolleté or chest area. Once again, just feels nice and soothing as I've applied the peel or the exfoliate on the neck area as well. And then you can just smooth over the sheet mask as well. You can even go over the eye area a little bit as well. After ensuring that the mask is in place, you can relax for 10 minutes up to 20 minutes even. Have a nice glass of water, scroll through social media, whatever you would like to do. Time to remove, and it is really simple. You just lift it off of your skin, no issues there. And what you can do is, usually depending on how dehydrated your skin is or what is in the sheet mask, there's always a little bit left over that you can just squeeze out of it and then just apply and gently massage it into the rest of your skin. You can gently massage or tap the serum into your skin with your hands, or you can use a Jade Roller or even one of those gua shas as well. And this will just help with a little bit of lymph drainage, and it's also just really relaxing. And you definitely need to use a serum or a face oil while using this. I will do a video regarding how to use a Jade Roller properly as well, and how to take care of it so that you don't cause any damage to either your Jade Roller or your skin. Remember just to clean your Jade Roller or your gua sha with a soft cloth to ensure there's no product residue left over that can cause damage, as well as be a nice area for bacteria to grow, which we don't want. Okay, so all of it is absorbed into the skin. I've got nothing else left. Now I am just going to be applying, after I've removed all the little hairs that is stuck on my skin, going to be applying my next favorite serum. This is the 10% vitamin C face serum that definitely gives you skin a bit of a radiance. When you apply this, don't drop the product straight into your hand, and when you use the droppers, which most of these serums come with, don't touch it onto your skin. Have a bit of a gap and just let the drops fall onto your skin, and then just gently rub and tap it into your skin. I will be doing a full review on this product as well as all the other products I've used in this video so far, and the ones that will be used in a second, so that you all understand of how to use them as well as when to use them and who might not benefit from it and who will benefit from these products. The next product that I will be using is the 5% caffeine under eye serum for dark circles as well as puffiness around the eye area. Now this is amazing as it contains peptides, hyaluronic acid as well as retinol. So even though you can use it morning and night, an SPF in the mornings followed after this is very, very crucial. You'll literally only use a small amount. It's not even a full pump. This is about the size of the tip of a matchstick. And you would use it on your ring finger as you don't want to apply too much pressure around the eye area, and then just gently dab and gently rub it and massage it around and under the eyes. Next, of course, is our moisturizer. I'm using the 5% vitamin C oil-free daily face moisturizer for radiant skin. It contains your vitamin C, pentavitin, as well as a glycerin. It is oil-free, and I love it because I'm living in a humid tropical climate, so I don't like heavy, thick moisturizers and that on my skin. So you won't use a lot of this depending on your skin. If you've got dry skin, I won't recommend this one, but if you've got more towards the oily combination skin, perfect for you. Once again, just gently rub and massage it all over on your face, neck and décolleté area. The next product, which is extremely important if you are doing this routine during the day, is your SPF. I've got the 1% hyaluronic sunscreen aqua gel from Dermaco, which is an SPF of 50, and I really like using this as this is very lightweight. It doesn't give you that heavy, thick, tacky feel on the skin. You use about 2 pumps of it, and then you would just gently apply it all over the skin to ensure that you are covering your whole face, neck and décolleté area as well. Please remember that your entire skin needs SPF, not just certain areas, your entire face. You don't want to have any areas that will look darker than the rest, because there's a new trend going around. You just apply SPF in certain areas to give you that natural bronzer look. I don't believe in that. SPF needs to go everywhere, okay? Because you want to protect your skin everywhere. That's it for this skincare routine. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as it will help me with future content as well as it being free. Here's to healthy glowing skin.